In the grand tapestry of existence, our lives are but a single thread, a singular narrative in an infinite library of stories. What if there are countless versions of ourselves living out different chapters of our lives, making choices that lead to vastly different outcomes? What if every decision we've ever made, every path not taken, every word left unspoken has birthed a new reality where those things came to pass? The idea of parallel universes, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, is now a serious area of scientific inquiry, with theories like string theory and quantum mechanics providing a framework for the existence of multiple dimensions. But what does this mean for us? What are we missing by not acknowledging or understanding the potential for infinite realities? Let us dive deep into the concept of parallel universes and explore what it means for our understanding of existence, free will, and the very nature of reality. We live in a universe where the familiar constellations have shifted in the night sky over billions of years, and the Earth itself has been reshaped by the relentless forces of nature. Galaxies spin and soar through the vast expanse of space, each a unique island of stars and planets. As we gaze up at the cosmos, it's hard to fathom the sheer scale and complexity of the universe we inhabit. Our planet Earth, a tiny oasis, teeming with life, suspended in a solar system that cradles it gently. Yet even here, on this seemingly insignificant speck of dust, wonders unfold. From the intricate dance of molecules to the breathtaking diversity of life forms, our world is a canvas of endless fascination. But what if there's more to this reality than meets the eye? Enter the mind-bending concept of parallel universes, a realm where the laws of physics bend and alternate versions of ourselves exist. Imagine a world where the decisions you've made are reversed, leading to a completely different life. A world where historical events unfolded in unexpected ways, altering the course of human history. Or a world where the laws of physics are slightly different, leading to bizarre and fascinating phenomena. It sounds like the plot of a sci-fi novel, but it's actually a real scientific theory. Proponents of this theory suggest that our universe is just one of many, possibly infinite universes that exist side by side. These universes are separated by vast distances and operate independently of one another. Each universe has its own set of physical laws and constants, which means that some universes could have different physical properties than ours. For example, in some universes, gravity might be weaker or stronger, or the speed of light could be different. This may sound like fantasy, but it's actually rooted in scientific theories such as string theory and quantum mechanics. String theory proposes that our universe is made up of tiny vibrating strings, and that different vibrations create different particles. This suggests that there could be other universes with different sets of physical laws, simply because the strings are vibrating differently. Quantum mechanics also provides a basis for the theory of parallel universes. The famous double-slit experiment shows that particles can exist in two places at once until they are observed. This phenomenon, known as superposition, suggests that there could be multiple realities existing simultaneously. So what would a parallel universe look like? It's impossible to say for sure, since there are infinite possibilities. However, scientists have come up with some intriguing theories. One theory suggests that every time a decision is made, a new universe is created. In this scenario, there would be an infinite number of parallel universes, each representing a different outcome. Another theory proposes that parallel universes exist on higher dimensions, beyond our perception. According to this theory, we can only perceive a small portion of reality and other universes exist alongside ours, but we can't see them or interact with them. Some theories are even more mind-boggling. The many-worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics suggests that every time a quantum event occurs, the universe splits into multiple universes. This means that there would be an infinite number of parallel universes, each slightly different from the others. But why should we believe in parallel universes? Proponents argue that it's the most logical explanation for certain phenomena such as quantum entanglement, where two particles are linked together regardless of the distance between them. They also point to the fact that string theory and other models require the existence of multiple dimensions to work. While there is no concrete evidence for parallel universes, the idea is an intriguing one that has captured the imaginations of scientists and science fiction fans alike. It raises fundamental questions about the nature of reality and the possibility that there is more to our existence than we can see or measure. Now let's discuss what we might be missing by not acknowledging the potential for parallel universes. First and foremost, we could be missing out on a deeper understanding of the universe. By ignoring the theories of parallel universes, we limit our exploration of the cosmos to what we can observe and measure. This could prevent us from discovering new physical laws or phenomena that exist in other universes. We may be missing out on potential solutions to some of humanity's greatest challenges. For example, if there are universes where diseases are more prevalent, studying them could help us develop new treatments or cures. Similarly, if there are universes where the environment is more sustainable, we could learn how to make our own planet more eco-friendly. We could also be missing out on the opportunity to connect with other versions of ourselves or alternate realities. If parallel universes do exist, it's possible that there are other versions of humanity that have different values, cultures, and perspectives. Connecting with them could broaden our horizons and help us see the world in new ways. It could also lead to new forms of communication and understanding between civilizations. However, it is important to acknowledge that the concept of parallel universes is highly speculative, and there is currently no scientific consensus on its validity. While theories, like string theory and quantum mechanics, provide a framework for the existence of multiple dimensions, there is no concrete evidence to support the idea of parallel universes. Additionally, the concept raises numerous philosophical questions about the nature of identity and the meaning of existence. If there are infinite versions of ourselves living out different realities, what makes our particular version the one that is real? How do we define our identity when there are infinite versions of us with different experiences, memories, and perspectives? These questions are difficult to answer and have led to much debate among philosophers and scientists. Despite the lack of scientific consensus and the philosophical challenges, the idea of parallel universes continues to fascinate scientists and the general public alike. It has inspired countless works of science fiction and has become a popular topic in movies, TV shows, and books. The concept also has practical applications. Scientists are using simulations to model the behavior of complex systems, such as climate change and the stock market. These simulations involve creating multiple scenarios based on different assumptions and then observing how they play out. In a sense, scientists are creating their own parallel universes in the form of computer models to better understand the complexities of the real world. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, it's important to keep an open mind about the possibilities. The idea of parallel universes may seem far-fetched, but it's a fascinating concept that could lead to new discoveries and a deeper understanding of existence. Whether or not parallel universes exist, the pursuit of knowledge and the quest to understand our place in the cosmos will continue to drive humanity forward. So while we may never know for sure if there are parallel universes out there, the search for answers is a journey that will undoubtedly expand our understanding of the universe and ourselves. Imagine if we had the ability to travel through parallel universes, to step into alternate realities and witness different versions of ourselves living out different lives. What would we find? Would we see glimpses of the choices we could have made or the paths we could have taken? The idea is both exciting and terrifying, raising profound questions about the nature of reality and the limits of human understanding. But what if we don't need to imagine these parallel universes? What if they're actually out there, existing alongside our own, invisible and unknown? Could there be a hidden truth lurking just beneath the surface of reality, waiting for us to uncover it? If you've ever felt like there's more to life than what you're seeing, that there's a deeper layer of reality just beyond your perception, then you're not alone. Many people have felt this sense of wonder and curiosity about the nature of existence, wondering if there's something more, something hidden from view that holds the key to understanding the universe and our place within it. This hidden truth could be the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe, revealing a deeper, more interconnected reality than we ever imagined. It's time to take a leap of faith and dive into the unknown. Who knows what wonders and mysteries await us in the hidden realms of reality? Are you ready to uncover the hidden truth of parallel realities? What do you think we're missing by not acknowledging the potential for infinite realities? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending explorations of science and the universe. Together, we can continue to explore the fascinating possibilities that lie at the intersection of science, technology, and the human experience.